You download a pickle file from someone's GitHub repo. You load it. One line, pickle.load.
And now arbitrary code is running on your machine.
That is not a bug. That is the pickle module by design. I am Mahaz. Episode 46, Serialization and Pickle. How to save Python objects to disk safely. We will cover pickle, shelve, dill, and the real security risk.
Let us see exactly how serialization works in Python.
For things pickle does that JSON cannot do cleanly. First, it saves any Python object, not just text and numbers.
Second, it preserves custom classes, sets, and tuples exactly.
Third, it handles circular references without crashing. Fourth, it is the backbone of saving ML models.
JSON reads numbers and strings. Pickle reads Python itself.
That is the entire difference. The syntax has two halves, dump to save, load to restore. Pickle.dump writes an object to a binary file. Pickle.load reads bytes back into a live Python object.
It works on lists, dicts, classes, almost anything.
Always open the file in binary mode, WB not W.
One call out, one callback, object preserved exactly.
Side by side, JSON on the left, pickle on the right. JSON only stores text, numbers, lists, and dicts.
Pickle stores any Python object, classes, sets, even functions.
JSON is readable by humans and every other language. Pickle is Python-only, binary, and tied to your class code.
Use JSON for APIs. Use Pickle for internal Python state.
Shelve gives you a dictionary that survives after your program exits. Open a shelf file. Use it exactly like a normal dict. Every value you store gets pickled automatically behind the scenes.
Read it back days later, same Python objects, same shapes.
Perfect for small caches, configs, and quick local databases.
Always close the shelf or wrap it in A with block.
Let us build a model checkpoint saver step by step. We define a dictionary holding weights, epoch, and optimizer state. Pickle.dump writes that whole dictionary to checkpoint.pkl. Training crashes. No problem, we reload from the last checkpoint.
Pickle.load restores the exact dictionary, weights included. 5 lines. Your training state survives any crash.
30-second pause before the security warning everyone skips. If saving Python objects ever felt confusing, this channel exists to show you the cleaner path. Every episode is one real mechanism explained simply. One subscribe keeps this series going.
2 seconds. Tap it now.
Okay, the security risk is next. This one matters. Here is the warning most tutorials skip entirely.
Pickle.load can execute arbitrary code during loading.
A class can define, reduce, and run any function it wants.
Loading a malicious pickle file can delete files or open a shell.
This is not a theoretical bug. It is documented behavior.
Never unpickle a file from the internet or an untrusted source.
Trusted, internal data only, that is the rule. Plain pickle cannot serialize a lambda or a closure. Try it and you get a clear pickling error.
Dill is a drop-in replacement that handles both.
Same dump and load calls, just swap the import. Used heavily in multiprocessing and distributed AI pipelines.
Same risk applies, only dill.load trusted sources too.
8 places serialization makes real Python code work. ML model checkpoints, saving weights between training runs.
Caching expensive function results to disk between runs.
Multiprocessing, sending objects between processes needs pickling. Redis and message queues, pickling payloads for transport.
One mechanism powers caching, checkpoints, and process communication.
3 mistakes that catch everyone using pickle for the first time. Mistake 1, unpickling data from an untrusted source.
That single load call can run any code the attacker wrote.
Mistake 2, renaming a class after pickling its instances. Old pickles break immediately because the class shape changed. Mistake 3, using pickle for cross-language or long-term storage.
Other languages cannot read it, and formats can shift between versions.
Mini project, a safer model checkpoint system. Step 1, store a version number inside every checkpoint dict. Step 2, store a hash of the weights alongside them.
Step 3 on load. Verify the version matches your code.
Step 4. Verify the hash before trusting the data. Step 5. Refuse to load anything that fails either check.
Same pickle speed with a real trust boundary added.
Your challenge. Write a save and load pair for a small dictionary of stats. Step 1. Use pickle to dump it to a .pkl file. Step 2. Load it back and print every key.
Step 3. Add a version field and check it on load.
Bonus, try the same object with dill instead of pickle.
Paste your save and load functions in the comments.
I reply to every single one. Let us recap what you learned today.
Pickle serializes almost any Python object to bytes.
Dump saves it. Load restores it. 2 calls total.
Shelve gives you a persistent dict built on pickle. JSON is safe and cross-language. Pickle is Python only and powerful.
Never unpickle data from a source you do not trust. Dill extends pickling to lambdas and closures. Next episode, SQLite and databases. Storing real data the proper way with actual queries. Subscribe so you do not miss it. See you tomorrow.
Serialization unlocked.
Your Python objects can now survive a restart.
You know exactly when to reach for pickle, JSON, or shelve.
Checkpoints, caching, multiprocessing, all click now. Subscribe for the next episode. Tell me what you will serialize first. I am Mahaz. See you in episode 47.